She loves control. She wants it her way. And there's no way.
So today is a very exciting day. We are going to go driving with me. So today I have been feeling kind of overwhelmed because of the diploma thing. But I am going to make it fun so you guys can see how I learned how to drive. So we are now on our way to the little road where I'm going to learn how to drive. But first my husband is going to take me because we are going to pass through kind of a little highway and there's a lot of cars there, and because I don't know how to drive, I get nervous. So I had been practicing before we went to Chicago, but since I haven't practiced, I'm really nervous, so I'm gonna try to do my best. Hey! ¿Dónde estás, Milan? So there you go, guys. It's a little driving. I know I didn't do that well. I venía un carro, but I tried, and my husband didn't record me so much because he was just telling me how to do things. So for my first time after a long time, I think I did kind of good. Me di un toque. So right now we are going to go take the car because it's my brother-in-law's car. We're gonna go take it to their house, my mother-in-law's house. So I guess I'm gonna see you guys there. I always say that, right? In a hopeless place. ¿Cómo?
Sí. No como te subiste allá arriba.
Me subí hasta arriba, ¿no? So I went up the sidewalk. My bad. So he's now telling me how to drive because I obviously don't know how to drive. ¿Dónde se le cambia la canción?
Aquí, Sandra.
¿Y te gusta que ateo a mami?
So right there, the food is really good. They sell shrimp cocktails and things like that. Back there, ¿cómo están allá atrás, hija? ¿Qué están haciendo allá atrás? ¿Bien o mal?
Estamos viendo esto.
¿Están viendo esto? ¿Y tú, Milan? What are you doing?
Mira, están jugando con los juguetes.
¿Estás jugando, Milan?
Sí, pero
Okay.
se los llevo para darle una...
Ok.
Chayo. Chayo.
¿Así le vas a decir?
I don't know that song. Dale, póngalo. Pues se me cayó el celular. Sí. Look at the boots he's wearing. Ah! Hey, things with it. Look at the boots my son is wearing. He's been wearing them all the time since he got them. We are currently walking home and it's super, super cold. Ay, chiquita, cálale, mamita. So right now we are in the plaza, as you guys can see, and I just called my parents to see where they were to maybe go to my grandparents' house, because I have both of my grandparents, 4 of them, on each side of my dad and mom's side. So I made a call and called my mom to see if they were there. And every time I call someone or call somewhere, I always like really make a long story like I am now and explain every single detail and just kind of make a mess of what I'm saying. So he always makes fun of me for that. ¿Edad, Rodolfo? Que siempre te ríes de mí porque diario...
Papi.
No, no.
No.
Ya, párate ya. Vámonos.
No. No quiero que.
Good night, everybody. Subscribe down below. I will see you guys next time.